Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best chainsaw on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information, you can check out the links in the description below. Our list at number 1. Worx 15 MP electric chainsaw. The 18-inch 4.015 0-amp chainsaw is a cut above the rest. The Worx exclusive, patented tool-free chain replacement and the auto-tensioning system eliminates the headaches faced with most other chainsaws. You don't need to be a lumberjack to operate a chainsaw. The auto-tension system includes a single, oversized knob that secures the bar and chain and maintains proper tension during operation automatically. The Worx auto-tensioning system also works to extend bar and chain life by eliminating any chance of over-tightening. What's more, all metal dogs at the base of the long, 18-inch bar help add stability during cutting, while an easy-to-lubricate sprocket on the bar nose helps preserve the life of the tool. Powerful enough for your toughest jobs, the Worx electric chainsaws produce anywhere from 4.0 peak horsepower. The Worx 18-inch chainsaw also offers gas-free, hassle-free operation. Different from gas-powered chainsaws, our electric chainsaw doesn't require you to mix oil and gas or deal with difficult startups. And unlike the competition, the Worx features an automatic oiler that provides constant lubrication to both the bar and chain. Each Worx chainsaw is equipped with a 6.75-ounce oil reservoir with an oil level indicator. Designed for safety and comfort. Our list at number 2. Powell Pro, 18 inches 2-cycle gas chainsaw. Equipped with an 18-inch bar and a 42cc engine, the Powell Pro PR4218 gas-powered chainsaw is ready to tackle trees and logs of almost any size. It's packed with power but still manages to start very easily. Well, most of the time. After using it for a short while, it would need some adjusting to keep starting properly. The idle would also be off, causing the saw to die when it should be idling. If you can't do some minor maintenance and adjustments yourself, then you should stay away from this saw. When we first ordered this saw, we were happy to know we'd be receiving a case with it. Upon arrival, we were disappointed to see a flimsy case that offered very little protection. It even had a crack in one side already. This saw made it through medium-sized logs with no issue and even through larger logs in a timely fashion. But for the price, you can get a battery-powered chainsaw with similar power that doesn't need all the maintenance that the Poulan Pro requires. Pros: battery-powered. Quiet. Cons: 12-blade. Expensive batteries. Oiling required. Our list at number 3. BLACK+DECKER 40V Max Cordless Chainsaw. The BLACK+DECKER LCS 1240B is a battery-powered electric chainsaw that cuts well for its weight class but doesn't do much beyond that. Its weakest feature is its 12-blade that is only going to be useful in limited circumstances, like cutting firewood, pruning trees, or maybe cutting down very small trees. The good news is that it's electric, so it is very quiet, and since it uses batteries, you have the mobility of a gas chainsaw. Like the previous model, you still have to oil this one, which is a bit of a pain for an electric model. The batteries for this unit are very expensive, so if you want to get enough that you can switch them out and keep cutting, expect to spend a lot of money. Overall, this is a good chainsaw if you have a lot of lightweight work to do that won't take much time. Pros: battery-powered. Quiet. Cons: 12-blade. Expensive batteries. Oiling required. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.